If you're thinking about opening your own real estate brokerage firm, this video is for you because I talk to so many people that think that they're going to open a brokerage firm and they just need a beautiful logo, a gorgeous office, and of course a full pot of coffee. But there's a lot more to it than that, and I'm going to break that down in this video. So let's start at the very top. If you're a broker owner who actually wants to scale, you need to understand that your brokerage isn't just a brand. I think it's very important I give you guys a little background on my experience because I've been in the real estate industry a long time. We've built several companies. One of them is called Commercial Brokers International. We launched it in 2005. It's a full-service commercial real estate brokerage firm based in Los Angeles. We started off with 4 agents only, and we're now at 23. Now, we've kissed a lot of frogs. We made some mistakes, but we learned a lot over the years. Matter of fact, I created a booklet that's up on my website. You can see the website up behind me. I'll put a link down below to this booklet because it's free. I think it's very important for you to understand the process that we went through. But today, I'm going to break down the 3 things that make up a great real estate brokerage firm. And this is going to work for residential and commercial. All right, number 1, you need a business plan. A brokerage that survives isn't built on just passion to own your own real estate business. It's built on economics. I talk to so many people that just have a passion to really run their own business and own their own business. You have to understand the economics are the most important part, and you need to build that business plan. So let's talk about some key points you need to have in your business plan because these are very important. Number 1, clear revenue streams. You want to have that first and foremost. Next, you want to have predictable margins. Make sure their margins are, you know where they're at all time. And this is an important one. Systems that don't rely on you as the broker owner being everywhere and doing everything. These systems are critical because if your brokerage only works when you are in every deal, you don't have a business. You have a job with a hell of a lot of overhead. So here's one that is just absolute killer to me because every good broker owner knows their numbers. A good broker owner knows how the brokerage actually makes money. If they have other revenue streams, they will even know on those the margins and the customer acquisition costs. They're going to know all those numbers because the margins in this business are very tight. So you need to know where every penny goes. A good broker owner will design everything that benefits the type of firm that they want to operate, from the splits to the services to even their support model. It's very important to know where all that money is coming and going. So let's talk about one I think is probably the most important and probably my pet peeve in the commercial real estate industry, and that's a talent development system. We are lacking that in our industry. Now on the residential side, not so much. I think there's some pretty good training there, but in the commercial real estate brokerage industry, we hire people, and within 3 years, 87 to 92% are out of business already. So this is where you can really put yourself in the lead. You want to make sure you're building a system that's going to help you bring in experienced agents as well as new agents and allow you to train those new agents as well. You need to make sure there's structured onboarding, there's clear expectations, you've got coaching, mentoring, feedback. And here's another thing, accountability. But you as a broker owner need to be careful how you put that accountability in place. It's very important you do it right. You want to make sure you're listening to what your agent's needs are and make sure you're giving that, because there's nothing worse than putting all this time and effort into these agents and then end up leaving your firm and all this time, effort, and money you put into them. Another brokerage reaps the benefits of all the work that you put in. So make sure you've got a really great talent development system. So those are the 3 key points you really want to focus on right now. Now, as your company evolves, you're going to evolve with it. You have to. Right now, what you need to focus on is building a machine that produces consistent results. You're going to find that top brokerages don't rely on luck or market cycles. They rely on systems that generate leads, convert opportunities, manage transactions, and create repeatable outcomes on a consistent basis. Because you'll find out that consistency beats charisma every time. I know we all think that we have a lot of charisma, but consistency is going to beat it every day. So when the machine is strong, results don't depend on who's having a good month. It's all baked into the process, and that's what's going to get you ahead. So if you're thinking about launching or growing your brokerage, ask yourself this: do I have a real business model? Do I have a system to develop agents? Do I have a machine that produces results with or without me being involved? Because a brokerage that wins long-term doesn't just look good. They operate like a well-oiled machine. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. We will get back to you. And if you could, please give us a like. And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you again next week.